Now this time I am expecting user to give two numbers. I want to add these two numbers like we did in the C programming. We have scanned two numbers A and B. For that we have taken the scanf, but here the scanf option is not there. We have only input. How to take two inputs, two integer inputs? How can we take? So this time I'm expecting enter a value or enter a number. Enter, or otherwise we can write enter first number. So again we are writing the second input, enter second number. Now we are adding A and B. Our intention is to add the two numbers, and we are printing the result. The result should be printed. This is what we are expecting. But what is happening in the real time, we will check. So if I execute this, enter the first number. I am entering the first number, some 10. Okay. Second number, I'm entering 20. We are expecting the first number is 10. So A is assigned with 10, B is assigned with 20. So 10 plus 20, result is 30. We are expecting the result 30 to be printed. But in real time, instead of printing the 30, it is printing 1020. What is happening? How 10 and 20, if we add 1020 is printing, because it is not adding the 10 and 20, but it is concatenating the 10 and 20, thinking that 10 is a string and 20 is a string. So these two strings are to be concatenated because the user is giving plus, so I will concatenate. That's why the concatenation operation is performed as per the computer understanding. So now we have to tell to the computer, remember A is not a string, so we are explicitly converting the input to the integer, and also we are explicitly converting the input to the B as an integer. By using the typecasting technique, we have explicitly converted the string data type to the integer data type. Now if we add the two integers, the resultant will be the integer only. Now we are checking whether this time I am giving the same numbers 10 and 20. The output is 30. So what we have done, we have used the typecasting technique here. We can also use this typecasting technique directly at the arithmetic operation performance step only. So here I am writing int a. Here I am explicitly converting the string a into integer and the string b to the integer. This will also give the same result. I am executing. Enter the first number. This time I am taking some 1, 2, 3. Enter the second number 4, 5, 6. The resultant is 579. This is how we take the two integers by using the same command input, and we can perform the any arithmetic operation. And also when we want to add the two floating numbers, that can also be possible by explicitly converting that input to float.